Ready for your next big adventure? Let's take a fast-paced journey to some of the world's most epic adventure destinations. The kind that make you want to pack your bags before the video's even over. First up, Everest Base Camp in Nepal. Trekking here isn't just a hike, it's a pilgrimage for thrill seekers, with jaw-dropping Himalayan views everywhere you look. If you crave wild, windswept landscapes, Patagonia, Argentina, Patagonia, Chile, ice trekking, legendary climbs, silence so deep it echoes. For desert lovers, Morocco's Sahara is pure magic. Camel trekking, dune bashing, camping under a billion stars. Looking for an adrenaline rush? Head to Queenstown, New Zealand. Bungee jumping, skydiving, jet boating, skiing. Iceland's got it all. Glacial caves, volcano hikes, the northern lights, steaming hot springs. Want to get lost in the jungle? Try the Amazon. Brazil, Amazon, Peru, river kayaking, wildlife encounters you'll never forget. Craving mountain air? The Swiss Alps, the Himalayas in India, world-class skiing, paragliding, high-altitude treks, dive into the Great Barrier Reef, Australia, the Galapagos Islands, Ecuador, unreal underwater adventures. Victoria Falls. Grand Canyon, rafting in the Colorado River, hiking, helicopter tours. Alaska, glacier climbing, dog sledding, kayaking among icebergs. Torres del Paine, trekking, camping in wild national parks. Mount Kilimanjaro, all epic, all bucket list worthy. Mountains, oceans, deserts, jungles, South Africa, safari, Kruger and Cape Town adventures, shark cage diving, Dubai, desert safaris and skydiving over Palm Jumeirah, Machu Picchu and the Inca Trail, historical trekking adventure, Bali and Komodo Islands, surfing, scuba diving, volcano hikes, Galapagos Islands, wildlife adventure and ecotourism. Drop your favorite in the comments. Want a top 10 list by adventure type or by continent? Tell me and I'll make it happen. Adventure is calling. Are you in?